News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Deoghar, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Central Institute of Indian Languages, Mysuru, Department of Science and Technology, National Cooperative Development Corporation, and Income Tax Department, Kerala. All India Institute of Medical Science, Deoghar, an autonomous institute of national importance under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, invites online applications for various posts in Nursing College, AIIMS, Deoghar on direct recruitment basis. The vacancy details are as under: 1 post of Professor cum Principal, College of Nursing, 2 posts of Associate Professor Reader in Nursing, 3 posts of Assistant Professor or Lecturer in Nursing, and 17 posts of Tutor or Clinical Instructor. Detailed advertisement and online application forms are available on the website aimspatna.org, which can also be seen on www.aimsdeoghar.edu.in or www.pmssy-mohfw.nic.in. Last date for submission of online application is 30 days from advertisement in Employment News. Next, let's know about Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University before we move on to the vacancy. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University is first university established in 1998 by Government of NCT of Delhi under the provisions of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University Act 1998, read with its amendment in 1999. The university is recognized by University Grants Commission, UGC, India under Section 12B of UGC Act. It is a teaching and affiliating university with the explicit objective of facilitating and promoting studies, research and extension work in emerging areas of higher education with focus on professional education, for example, engineering, technology, management studies, medicine, pharmacy, nursing, education, law, etc., and also to achieve excellence in these and connected fields and other matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. In order to serve the broad purposes for which the university was established, it set out its statement of vision, mission and quality policy. Its vision is: the university will stimulate both the hearts and minds of scholars, empower them to contribute to the welfare of society at large, train them to adopt themselves to the changing needs of the economy, advocate them for cultural leadership to ensure peace, harmony and prosperity for all. And its mission is: Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University shall strive hard to provide a market-oriented professional education to the student community of India in general and of Delhi in particular, with a view to serving the cause of higher education as well as to meet the needs of the Indian industries by promoting establishment of colleges and schools of studies as centers of excellence in emerging areas of education with focus on professional education in disciplines of engineering, technology, medicine, education, pharmacy, nursing, law, etc. Online applications are invited for 1 temporary Junior Research Fellow JRF position in SERB funded research project in University School of Biotechnology, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Dwarka, New Delhi. Last date of applications is 17th May 2021. Date of online interview is 20th May 2021. For details, please see www.ipu.ac.in or contact the PI at nimisha@ipu.ac.in. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for 1 post of consultant in Bharatvani Project, Central Institute of Indian Languages, Mysuru, on contractual basis. The initial contract will be for a period of 1 year, which may be further extended for another 2 years on annual review of performance of the incumbent. Proforma of application and eligibility criteria are given at Central Institute of Indian Languages website www.ciil.org. Announcements. Application duly filled in all aspects should reach the concerned authority on or before 45 days from the date of publication of this notification in the newspapers. Applications may also be sent with all enclosures to ada-ciilmys@gov.in. Applications received after the due date may not be considered. The envelope should be superscripted with application for the post of consultant in Bharatvani project. Applications are invited for filling up one post of Mission Director, National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems in Department of Science and Technology on deputation, including short-term contract basis. The period of deputation, including the period of deputation in another ex-cadre post held immediately preceding this appointment in the same or some other organization or department of the central government, shall ordinarily not exceed 5 years. Eligible candidates are required to fill the application online through the online portal recruitment.dst.gov.in using valid email ID. This online portal for applying shall be available for a period of 30 days from the date of advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. This application form, duly signed by the candidate along with attested copies of ACRs or APARs for the last 5 years, may be forwarded through proper channels so as to reach this department by registered post or by speed post within 15 days, 30 days for remote areas, from the last date of enclosure of online portal. For application format and other general conditions and requirements, visit the website www.dst.gov.in. Any further update regarding the selection process shall be communicated only through the website. Candidates are therefore advised to visit the website regularly. Applications are invited for 8 posts of Chief Director in National Cooperative Development Corporation, a statutory body under an Act of Parliament on deputation basis. For details of age, educational qualification, experience and other eligibility criteria, interested officers may visit website www.ncdc.in. Last date for submission of application is 8th June 2021. Applications are invited for appointment of 3 posts of Senior Translation Officer in Income Tax Department, Kerala Region by transfer on deputation. The eligible candidates having requisite service or qualification as specified may send their biodata, proforma enclosed, through proper channels so as to reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. In case no applications are received by this office, it will be presumed that there are no eligible or willing officials for the said post. While forwarding the biodata by the respective head of office or department, it may also be ensured that the particulars of the candidates are verified and certified and they fulfill the eligibility criteria specified. Applicants who volunteer for the post will not be permitted to withdraw their candidature subsequently, and only such applications which are duly forwarded by the office and accompanied by the APARs and vigilance clearance will be considered. Application proforma can be downloaded from the official website of the Income Tax Department, www.incometaxindia.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.